Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Crypto Takeover Miracle channel. Alright, I'm going to take y'all through some things on Market Cipher that I see that are being updated right now. And let's continue on with the video. So we did have a price pump earlier this morning. I think we were all the way down to literally, like, we bottomed at 6,500. So that's a good sign that we did see some reversal happening here. But the thing I'm curious about is, are we going to be able to sustain this right now? And yeah, there was a relief bounce, and that's great, but I wanted to see a really higher relief bounce than just to 7,300, you know? I mean, we were at 7,300 over the weekend. Yeah, like last week, I mean, and then we still continued down. So we should have had a little bit more of a higher relief rally. But that isn't to say that we don't see more potential volume to the upside. So I mean, okay, I'm on the 2-hour chart right now, y'all. And go ahead, if y'all are liking these Market Cipher update videos and my ideas on the market, the manipulation that's occurring, the derivatives, exchanges that are manipulating the markets, and just go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe. That's the best way to support the channel and for me to stay motivated to keep doing videos for y'all. And also y'all can use the affiliate links down in the description box below. But yeah, I love to hear back from y'all and love to get y'all's ideas. And because the bear sentiment in the market right now is just pretty heavy, we want to make sure that we can still keep each other's minds in focus during these times, and just know what to expect, and you know, to stay relaxed and calm, right? So as you can see in the 2-hour time frame here, we started to come up above the 0-point pivot, and we did come up above one of our EMA ribbons as well. Here we are trending above the VWAP. So let's see what happens. We did come up and touch this force field on the SR. This kind of a indicator for Market Cipher SR basically is just like a range bounce. So we did touch the top of this little force field, what CryptoFace likes to call it. So we could come back down, touch this VWAP, or if we stay above this EMA ribbon, that's also pretty bullish. CryptoFace, I think, is using the EMA ribbon on Cipher A. It's like the 5th ribbon or something like that. I was looking at his video the other day. I think, but as you can see here on Cipher B, we are starting to, this VWAP starting to come down a little bit. If we do put in a red dot, that'll probably signal a blood diamond or a yellow X here. So we just want to be aware of that. Right now, this blue triangle is signaling a trend reversal, and as well as this little green diamond is signaling a bullish close. So let's jump into the higher time frames. We're going to continue here. I did want to go over Tesla market today. I might make a separate video about it. I just want to get an update on Market Cipher with Bitcoin right now, and then maybe I'll make a video about Tesla stock after they release their Cybertruck, and just to see what's going on with there. So we do have a bullish divergence being printed down here on our 4-hour. Let's see if we can get above this pivot point. Once we, if I'm kind of looking at our 4-hour, because as soon as we get above this pivot point and we stay above it, I feel like that's going to be a sign of a reversal, right? Or a bigger relief rally, especially on the 4-hour. So our 4-hour is looking okay. We're still in our red money flow, which means there's still some selling pressure as well. Our RSI is signaling this is very good buying zone. So on our 4-hour, let's jump into our 8-hour. 8-hour, pretty much the same. So let's go to the 12-hour real quick. I think this was okay. So as you can see, we never put in a red X here, which is a pretty bullish sign as well on our 12-hour. We were close to coming down on that VWAP, but we bounced right back up. We didn't even put in a red X or a red dot. So that's good. Our money flow is still pretty heavy. Our red money flow is still pretty heavy here. So let's see how this 12 this 12-hour ends up playing out. I'm thinking we could see some upside here. Let's see about our 1-day green dot. Still has not confirmed yet. It's wanting to, but there's still some potential like lingering and probably consolidation as well. Jump into our 3-day. What I want to see is some big green dots come down here for our 3-day and confirm another 5-day bottom, 6-day bottom. That's what I'm waiting for. And so I drew out some fib retracements for y'all using the logarithmic scale. And our 382 is at 7,900. So that was where we kind of consolidated at for a while when the back dump happened. Was at 382. And then we bounced, but then we came back down. And we really didn't. We touched one of our fib levels here. I think it was, well, the 618 is down here. So 618 is at 5,600. Which we know Bitcoin likes to come back down and test. And this is the fib retracement on the logarithmic scale. The 6,500 is our golden pocket area. So between 5,600 and 5,300 are some key target areas that we're kind of looking at. Basically, we want it, like, the reason, and I'm not trying to be bearish about it, but like, if we can catch the bottom together, y'all, I want to be able to catch the bottom with y'all, and that way we can start to accumulate. We can put it in our leverage trades or whatever we want to do, you know. So just to make back like some of the losses that we've occurred this past like week and month, you know. So what I want to see is this weekly closing a big green dot as well, and then the 786 fib retracement is at 4,300. So no guarantees that we are going to go that low, but like I said, if this is a so-called bear market that we entered in, then I do want to see big green dots to know that these are bottoms, basically. And if we come back here, let's go back a little bit to some of our other bear market areas. So here we did put in a green dot, 2 green dots here as well on our weeklies. So I mean, even the weekly, I think I was like the 2-week or the 3-week where I was more curious about. Yeah, the 2-week is, we put in one big green dot here on our 2015 bear market to turn to the other side. So it would be nice to come down here and see another big green red dot as well. Big green red dot in our 2017 bear market. And then if we go to the 3-week or the monthly, no big green dots, but we did have to come down pretty low to know that that was pretty much the bottom of our bear market. So I'm really looking forward to our 6-day. That was my main indicator, 6-day and 1-week indicators for big green dots. And honestly, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that to let y'all know what I think could be the so-called bottom, right? So we're gonna keep our hopes high here, and just wanted to bring y'all this update really quick. So one thing that I did want y'all to look up is Bix Weir and Road to Ruta. He has a channel, but he talks about the derivative exchanges, and that's basically your backed. That is your intercontinental exchanges, Fidelity, all these people that are exchanging derivative contracts instead of actual Bitcoin. They are the actual ones that can manipulate this market, and that's because they don't have the actual Bitcoin. They're just trading paper contracts. That's what a derivative exchange is. And I just got done watching DaVinci J15's video. He talks about all these derivative exchanges, and that's exactly what it is. It's you have, and they're backed by insurance funds, right? Insurance funds. That's paper. That's paper money. That's fiat money. They're not backed by actual Bitcoin. So that's what y'all have to consider, right? Is that as more of these ETFs and these ETF exchanges that get released, those are all being exchanged under derivative contracts and not actual Bitcoin, so they can manipulate the price. And that's just what we have to be aware of. So we have to take that into the fraction and into the the actual issue itself, and know that that could be another correlating factor to this, right? So, but You know what? I'm gonna stick with Market Cipher. I think it is one of the best indicators out here to let us know when we are seeing some potential bottoms in this market. So I'll keep y'all updated. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you can be updated with the latest videos as well. Links down in the description below. If you're interested in mining Bitcoin straight from your web browser, you can do that here with Crypto tab. Have that link down there. If you're interested in using the Brave browser to earn BAT token while you surf the web, have that down there as well. I also have my Bybit link if y'all are interested. Some other programs down there as well. Yeah, that's about it. So, oh, also, if you need cold storage, Ledger X or S is what I'd recommend. That's also down in the link below. Hope y'all have a wonderful evening, y'all. And comment down below. Tell me how y'all are doing today. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.